Everyone, so we are solving this question today. What do we have here? We have 2 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x is equal to 8 raised to power x. How do we start these exponent questions? First of all, we will try to make the base same. So this is 2 raised to power x, and what is 4? 4 is 2 square. 2 square raised to power x, and what is 8? It is 2 cube raised to power x, right? So now next step is, what can I write? 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 raised to power 3x, right? Why? Because a raised to power m raised to power n can be written as a raised to power mn, or at the same time we can write it as a raised to power n raised to power m. That means in next step, what can I do? I can write it as plus 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 and equal to 2 raised to power x raised to power 3. Why did we do that? We did that because we want to make 2 raised to power x as t. Okay, so if I substitute 2 raised to power x as t. What will this equation, suppose I say this is equation number 1, what will this equation become then? This will become t plus t square is equal to t cube, right? Or I can write it as t cube minus t square minus t is equal to 0. Now what do we need to do? We need to find the value of t, right? Okay, suppose I take t common, I will get t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives us either t is equal to 0 or t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now, what is t? I will first take this case. What is t? T was 2 raised to power x. Can we get 2 raised to power x as 0? No. Why? 2 raised to power x cannot be equal to 0. It is always greater than 0. Why? Whatever value you take for x, whether you take positive values like whether you take 0 or positive values or negative values, this term will always be greater than 0. Suppose I take positive value, I take 2 square. It will be obviously greater than 0, right? Suppose I take negative value. What will be the negative value? Suppose I take minus 3. What is 2 raised to power minus 3? It is 1 by 2 cube. It is 1 by 8. This is also greater than 0. So that means we cannot consider t as 0 since 2 raised to power x cannot be equal to 0. So now we will just take this case. T square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation, right? So how will I solve this? When we have quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, what is x then? X is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Okay, so here we have t is equal to, what is b? B is minus 1, so this will become plus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1, plus minus under root of b square. B is minus 1, so this will be 1 minus 4 times a times c. What is c? C is minus 1, right? By 2 times 1, 2a. So we get t is equal to 1 plus minus under root of 1 plus 5, 4. 1 plus 4. So this will become 2. So t is equal to 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. This is t. Okay. Now t is what? T is actually 2 raised to power x. So here we get two cases. Either 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. Right? Or, so I will take first case here. 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 plus under root 5 by 2, or 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 minus under root 5 by 2. Okay, now we know that under root 4 is 2. So that means under root 5 is 2 point something, right? If we get 2 point something here, this term will become negative. 1 minus 2 point something, this term will become negative. And I just told you that 2 raised to power x can never be negative. It cannot be negative, right? So we cannot take this case as well. So what is true then? Only this possible case we have, that 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 plus under root 5 by 2. Okay, and now we need to find out the value of x. How do we do these cases when we have x in power? What do? We take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, right? Okay, so we have log of 2 raised to power x is equal to log of 1 plus under root 5 by 2, right? And this x will come here, so it will become x log 2. X log 2 is equal to log 1 plus under root 5 by 2. This implies x is equal to log 1 plus under root 5 by 2 and by log 2, which can actually be written as x is equal to log a by log b. So we can write this 2 in the base, and then we have this, and this is our value for x, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and for more Olympiad questions you can visit my channel. I have explained many concepts as well, so conceptual videos as well you can see. Do visit my channel. Thank you so much.